To glue my wig down, I'm going to use a mixture of Got To Be Glued gel and a hairspray. I'm going to apply a thin coat of the gel first, spread it across my forehead and allow it to air dry just a little bit. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply a coat of the hairspray. Now depending on how long you want your wig to last, you can put multiple coats on, but I'm just putting on the one coat. And then very carefully I'm going to apply my wig without getting it into the hair gel mixture. I'm pulling it down in the back and securing the wig comb. And then I'm going to pull the wig forward in the front and make sure I also put the wig combs in the front. Now this wig does come with an adjustable band, so using the wig combs is optional, but I like a secure fit, so I'm using the wig combs and the strap. So now that I have my wig pulled forward and my hair out of my face, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. I cut my lace pretty close because I don't like having excess lace on my wig, and I make sure to cut off the little tabs on the side as well because it's harder to hide those. Using the end of my rat tail comb, I'm going to press the lace into the hair gel mixture. I'm going to also comb back any hair strands so that I can apply my elastic band without gluing the hairs into the gel. Now I'm going to let that dry while I go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. Now, as you guys can see with this hair, it is so full, and the hair is full from the roots to the tips. It's nice and even, and the hair looks so healthy. So this is a 20-inch wig, and I have a 5x5 closure. Of course, you can customize yours on the website. This is just what I chose, and I have a medium cap size. Make sure my hair is straight and laid flat on my head. I don't have the tightest braids in my hair right now, so like trying to get a flat fit on my head is sort of off, but we're going to make it work. Now this is also a step 2 where you can use hair wax if you have it, but I'm going to go ahead and use the comb and then afterwards go in with some hairspray. So right now I'm going to go ahead and spray just a light coat of hairspray on top to get any flyaways, and then pass over it again with the hot comb so that those hairs lay flat. Now normally I go in with some concealer into the parting space, but I feel like the lace is so transparent and the foundation application is so good that I don't really want to put any concealer on today, so I'm going to skip that step. This is HD lace. It's so sheer, like It's like a second skin. Later on in this video, I'm going to go outside so you guys can see how it looks in natural lighting. It is like the most transparent lace I've ever received. For a moment there, I was just stuck staring in the mirror because like it shocked me how transparent it was. Like it looked like the hairs were growing out of my scalp. It was like the craziest experience. But I'll show you guys that later on in the video. So you guys can see how full and luscious this wig is. This is the second review I've done for Wiggins Hair, and both my wigs have been so full, just absolutely gorgeous hair. As I was saying, this is skim melt transparent lace. You can see right through it with no problems. The knots are undetectable, like they're bleached to absolute perfection. It's pre-plucked, and you guys can see you can wear it without having to use baby hairs. It just looks beautiful and natural. You guys can see how full and shiny and healthy the hair is. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so thick. I don't have the density information in front of me, but of course it will be down below in the description bar. And this is how the wig looks in natural lighting. It is incredible. Incredible. Guys, I will have this wig listed down below in the description bar. If I have a discount code, it will also be down there as well. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. Mwah. Bye.